Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can do about the square root of x minus number 4. So we need to multiply by the square root of x minus number 4 on numerator and denominator. So this one we have x minus number 4. The next one we have the formula in here. So number 16, that is about 4 to the power of number 2. Now we need to transform this one into this one. And now we need to simplify x minus number 4 on numerator and denominator. So because number 4 on the right, so we can put number 4 on here. Because this one is bigger than number 4, that's why we can put number 4 in here. We calculate this one and we have number 0. This is the end. Thank you for watching.